Okay, so in the kitchen at Blossom House here, we do have a dishwasher available for our guests to use. It's just to the right of the sink. It's an integrated dishwasher, and I'll show you quickly how to go about using this. So the first thing to say is check that it's on the wall. So if we just go over here by the coffee machine, it's this plug here, so make sure that that's on and the light's lit up. If it is, then we're all good to go. So as you'd normally expect to find in a dishwasher, there's a couple of trays here where you can load up your dirty dishes and plates and cutlery and so on. So load up the dishwasher as you like. Then obviously you need to put a washing tab in there. So it opens like that by sliding the blue slider over. And if you look in the cupboard under the sink on the left hand side, you'll find we've got some laundry tabs there on the right, but on the left you can see the finished ones are the dishwasher tablets. So take one of those, unwrap it and put it in the dishwasher in this little compartment here, and then you can just slide this door shut until it clicks. Then when you lift the door of the dishwasher, you'll find that the control panel is located just on the edge of the door. So to operate this, first of all press and hold the on-off button, and then you'll see a couple of lights come on. So first thing to do obviously is to select which program you want. So that's the panel on the left here. So most of the time you'll probably be using the Eco 50 degrees option. If you've got particularly badly soiled plates and dishes, you might maybe want the intensive program. Or if there's not much in there and it's all very lightly soiled, you might even select the mini 35 degree program. But in any case, pick whichever one you want. Then if you look on the right hand side of the control panel, you'll see the tablet light is on. You have the option to select half load, so if it's only half full, that will help us to use less water. So select that if you've only got a half load. You've also got the option to select a time delay, so you can press once for 3 hours, you can press twice for 6 hours, or you can press 3 times for 9 hours, or if you change your mind you can just switch it off altogether by pressing one more time. So once you've selected the options that you want, you can then press the start pause button, and then as soon as you see that light up you can close the door until it clicks and your cycle will start pretty much straight away. So hope that's helpful. Feel free to use it if you'd like to. Thank you.